Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that focuses on algorithms and statistical models, enabling computers to perform specific tasks without explicit programming. Essentially, it involves the learning of patterns from historical data, and then using these patterns to make predictions or decisions. This process may be supervised, with explicit labels for input data, unsupervised, without explicit labels, discovering hidden patterns. Machine learning is a rapidly growing field that has been transforming the way we interact with technology and live our daily lives. Machine learning is used in numerous applications that we use every day. For example, your email spam filter uses machine learning to identify and filter out unwanted emails, and recommendation systems on websites like Netflix or Amazon use it to suggest movies or products that you might like. Machine learning algorithms continually improve their performance as they are exposed to more and more data. They learn from each new piece of information, just as we learn from our experiences. Supervised learning is a type of machine learning algorithm in which the model is trained on labeled data. In this context, labeled data refers to a dataset where the target outcomes are already known. For example, in a binary classification problem, the labels might be spam or not spam. The most commonly used supervised learning algorithms. 1. Linear regression. This algorithm is used to predict a continuous outcome variable, y, based on one or more predictor variables, x. Logistic regression. Unlike linear regression, logistic regression is used for binary classification problems. It predicts the probability that a given instance belongs to a particular class. Decision trees. Decision tree is a type of supervised learning algorithm that is mostly used for classification problems. It works for both categorical and continuous input and output variables. Support vector machines, SVM. SVM is a powerful, robust algorithm used for binary classification or regression. It constructs a hyperplane in high-dimensional space to separate different classes. 5. Naive Bayes. This is a classification technique based on Bayes' theorem with an assumption of independence between predictors. K-nearest neighbors. KNN is a simple, instance-based learning algorithm used for classification and regression. Random forest. It is a flexible, easy-to-use machine learning algorithm that produces a great result most of the time with less tuning. It is an ensemble of decision trees. 8. Gradient boosting algorithms. Gradient boosting classifiers are a group of machine learning algorithms that combine many weak learning models together to create a strong predictive model, such as XGBoost and LightGBM. Unsupervised learning is another significant branch of machine learning where the model learns from a dataset without labeled outcomes. Unlike supervised learning, unsupervised learning algorithms are left to their own devices to discover and present the interesting structure in the data. These algorithms are commonly used for clustering, dimensionality reduction, and anomaly detection tasks. For example, in market segmentation, an unsupervised algorithm could help identify different customer groups based on purchasing behavior. The most commonly used unsupervised learning algorithms. 1. K-means clustering. This algorithm divides a set of samples into disjoint clusters, each described by the mean of the samples in the cluster. 2. Hierarchical clustering. This algorithm builds a multi-level hierarchy of clusters by creating a cluster tree. 3. DBSCAN, density-based spatial clustering of applications with noise. This algorithm views clusters as areas of high density separated by areas of low density. 4. Principal component analysis, PCA. PCA is a dimensionality reduction method used to reduce the dimensionality of large datasets, by transforming a large set of variables into a smaller one that still contains most of the information in the large set.